Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you how to calculate the centroid of the triangle element. Okay, so let me draw a triangle element. And at the vertex, let me represent A, B and C. And if you are having the sum of the coordinates, like at A I will represent 2, 4, and at B I will represent -3, -2, and at C let us assume -1 and 2. So these are the coordinates. So to calculate the centroid, so before understanding the centroid, let me explain you what is the median. First let me explain you about the median, because once you calculated the median, then you can easily calculate the centroid of the triangle. So where median, again for the median I am going to draw one more triangle here. So again at the apex 1, A, B and C. Okay, now you have to calculate the median. So for B and C, the middle point we'll find out, and let us represent that one is 1. You can represent D, E, F also. So for the B and C, the middle point it will be 1. Okay, now draw a line from the apex to this point. Okay, so this is the median 1. Again for B to A, again find the midpoint and draw a line. From A to C, find the mid one, then join. So I will represent this is 2 and this is 3. Now when all the medians meet at a point, so that point we called as the centroid of the triangle. When all the medians join or meet at a point, that will be the centroid. So I will represent the centroid as P, where P is the centroid point. Now in the similar way, when we are having the coordinates for A, B and C, so you need to find the centroid of this triangle. It means the point P you have to calculate. Okay, so to calculate the point P, there is a equation where P is equal to, if you want to calculate the point P, it means you have to represent in the form of X and Y. So they are asking to calculate the coordinate for the centroid of P. So where the equation you have to remember, that is, so here there are 3 coordinates, so it will be x1, x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula to remember when you calculate the centroid. Now where for the point A, where these 2 coordinates, so it will be x1 and it will be y1. So in the similar way for point B, it will be x2, y2. Here it will be x3, y3. Right? So after that we will substitute the x1, x2, x3, where x1 that is 2 and x2 it is -3 plus x3 that is -1 divided by 3. Again y1 it is 4, y2 -2 and y3 +2 divided by 3. So now 2 minus 4, you will get minus 2 by 3, and here it is 4 by 3. So these are the coordinates for the centroid of this triangle, that is minus 2 by 3, 4 by 3 are the coordinates for this point, centroid for the triangle elements. Right? Hope all the doubts are clear. If you are having any queries related to this, you can make me in the comments box. Thank you for watching this video.